guys, today I have the February Boxycharm unboxing and try on for you guys, and they do send me this for review purpose, just put that out there, but all opinions are my own. I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into my box. This month the theme is Afterglow, and my box is the third kind of edition of this box. So the first thing in here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is worth $24. It's supposed to separate, coat, curl, and give you like volume to your lashes. I have to say I like this mascara. I don't absolutely love it. To me, it's not a holy grail. I have tried this in the past and just wasn't into the hype about it. I feel like the L'Oreal one that is like the dupe for this, it gives a lot more volume. That one is a lot more clumpier, so you do have to kind of like have another mascara to brush it out, but to me it's just way cheaper than this. So this has not hit holy grail status for me, but I do know a lot of people who absolutely love that and that like they swear by that. Next thing in here is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. It allows your skin to capture the light in any room. This is worth $32. This is Glimmers of BS is the name of mine. That is so funny. It's shade number 41. And let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. It's a very silvery highlight. That is what it looks like right there, if you can see that on my hand. It is definitely buildable and just very, very beautiful. It's very smooth. It doesn't have like any kind of glitter particles, just a nice beautiful shimmer. And Pretty Vulgar has absolutely gorgeous packaging. I remember they gave us like a really bright, I think it was a blush or something in one of the boxes, and I really liked it. The only thing was that it was matte, and so I'm more into more shimmery kind of blushes now, but this highlight is definitely going to stay in my collection. Next thing in here is the Touch and Sew No Problem. I don't know how to say that. It's kind of like they're doing like a twist on words instead of problem, pour, and bloom. So this is a primer that gives you a seamless canvas for your foundation. It has like a silky texture, blurs pores and wrinkles. I wish it could blur wrinkles. It has green tea and collagen and acts as an adhesive to hold tight your makeup for hours and to be flawless. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a consistency that's not like watery or thick, and if you want to see me use this, we'll definitely watch the other half of the video, but this does seem like a good contender. Next thing in here is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser. I absolutely love this. I've purchased this myself twice. The full size, I think it's like $28, and it's 5 fluid ounces with a pump. This is only 3.4 and is $22. So I don't know. I know that some people are like, get really upset that Boxycharm says that it's like 4 to 5 full-size products, and sometimes they give us like more travel size stuff like this, or smaller versions of things, and I know sometimes people are like iffy about that. So let me know down below how you guys feel about that, because the full size I've bought twice already. I think I just ran out of it, and it's 5 fluid ounces. So this is only 3.4, and it says here it's worth $22. It's supposed to help lift dirt, excess oil, grime, makeup. It has all kind of natural ingredients in it. I absolutely love this. It foams up really nicely. I do have to say that it does not take off makeup completely. I usually use like a makeup oil first and do like a double cleanse, so I'll use an oil first and then use this, but I really love it. It smells really nice. I love the ingredients in Pharmacy, and I've really been loving their brand for skincare, so super nice that we got this in here. I think that the full size would have fit in here, so I don't know why they did this. So next thing, or the last thing in here, is the Trust Seek Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. It's a 2-in-1 lip duo, and it's supposed to have a primer on one side and a shiny glaze on the other. Oh my god, I just realized that I did this wrong in the video. Okay, so you guys, I did not realize that it has a primer on one side, so I totally jacked this up a little bit, my bad. So this is a primer. It has no kind of color to it whatsoever. It just feels kind of like a little bit of a drier lip balm. And then the shade is actually the shade I have on my lips, and it's this shade right here, which is the shade English Rose. The shade is a nice shade. I do like the packaging. It has a nice magnet, so it closes really nicely, and I've liked quite a few of the Trestique products. This is worth $25. And yeah, I kind of show you guys how I apply it and the applicator itself, which is kind of weird, and you'll definitely see that if you want to see the try on portion. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the try on portion, because a lot of you guys only like to see what's in the box, and then some of you guys want to see it in action. So here is the try on portion, and I'm sorry I totally forgot to use the primer on the lips. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the No Problem primer, and this is supposed to smooth, and it's taking a while to come out. It doesn't have a distinct smell to it or anything like that, and it has like a light pink color to it, and it's not too watery and it's not too thick, like too silicone-y. It feels just a tad bit silicone-y, but not like too watery or way too thick. It does feel super nice though. And a lot of the ones that are like pore feeling are almost like so silicone-y that they're like thick and can sometimes ball up, and I like the fact that this is like more of a watery one without being way too watery. So I do feel like my skin just feels nice and soft, and now not really smelling it in my fingers, it has like a nice clean smell to it. So I do like the smell. It's not way too overpowering. Next thing I'm going to try is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've had many ones of this. I do like it. I don't absolutely like love it. I know a lot of people feel like this is their holy grail mascara. To me, it's not. I feel like the L'Oreal like dupe version of this is just as good as this. So for those who haven't tried it, it does give like a nice volume to your lashes, and I feel like it's a little bit less clumpy than the L'Oreal one. So that is what it looks like. I just have a normal lashes. I just started like about a month ago on New Lash, but other than that, like my lashes are just absolutely normal. I don't have anything extra in them. So this is what to someone with normal lashes and a few coats of this is gonna look like. So that is like before and after. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys can tell that my lashes, if my lashes look any longer or look better on camera just by themselves, if the new lash is actually working. They say it usually takes like the first 3 months to actually notice something substantial, so we'll see. So let me finish this other eye and I'll be back for the other products. This is what it looks like after a few coats on the lashes. Let me know what you guys think. I like this mascara, but it's not like a holy grail for me. So let me know if this is a good one for you. I guess it all, like mascaras, I feel like it all depends on your lashes. So next up, we're going to try the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan. This is the color I got. I know there's different variations in the boxes. So this is what it looks like. I know that they are now going based on the quiz. So if you are subscribed to Boxycharm, go on the website and find the quiz and take it, so that way it's more geared to what you want. So I'm gonna just take a nice little brush. This is the Beauty Junkies Pro Setting Brush, and let's test this baby out. So I don't have any highlight, just some bronzer, and whoa, that is really icy. I probably applied a little too much, but that is what it looks like right there. No highlight, highlight. So that is very beautiful. I think if you went a little bit, you know, softer, see, like not as much as I applied the first time, then you could definitely get more of a natural glow, or you can definitely build this up. This is absolutely beautiful. Just a very beautiful highlight, and I absolutely love Pretty Vulgar's different you know, like how stylish their packaging is. Absolutely beautiful. And the last thing I'm gonna try in here is the Tresique. This is in the shade English Rose, and it says it's a prime and color lip glaze. And the shape of this is like rather odd. It's like very squared away. So let's see how it works on my lips, because I have small lips. It's kind of feathered on the edge, so I do not like that. And my lips are really dry right now. I probably should have put some lip balm on. It is creamy. Not overly moisturizing, but it is creamy. So I don't feel it tugging on my lips or anything. And the shade kind of helps like draw around the lines, but I do feel like it does feather out at the same time, so I do not like that whatsoever. So to be honest, I don't really care for the shape of this. I don't feel like it's innovative in any way. I do like that the packaging like has a magnetic clasp that it closes nicely, but the shape of this is just not really easy to use or anything like that. I just prefer like a regular lipstick looking, or I don't know, more like if it was a lip liner. I just feel like my lips look like a hot mess right now. Let me see if I can try to fix this with a lip liner or something, or a lip brush, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I used a lip brush and tried to fix my lips. I just feel like it just got out of hand. I feel like Kylie Jenner right now. It just way overlined, and it just kept feathering out. So I really went around with the brush and really cleaned up those edges. The formula feels nice. It's very comfortable on the lips, but I do not like the applicator. I feel like they should have made it more kind of like a lip liner, really pointed at the edge or something. I don't know what they were thinking with the shape of this. Not useful at all. The color is pretty, the formula is nice, but I don't know what happened there. Anyways, that is all for this month's Boxycharm. I have to say, I absolutely love this primer. I don't know if it makes the foundation last any longer because I haven't, you know, gone anywhere or anything, but I do like just like the smoothing effect and how it just really makes your foundation look super just beautiful and smooth. As far as like pores go, I feel like it blurred them just like a tiny bit, but I can still see some of my pores in here in like this area. But overall, I really like this primer. I absolutely love the face wash. I absolutely love this. I have bought this on my own twice already. The Pretty Vulgar highlighter is absolutely stunning. This is like, it's a little fail. I do not like this whatsoever. I don't know what the hell they were thinking with the shape of that. And the Too Faced Better Than Sex is a nice mascara, so it was nice that it came in the box. As always, I will put the total value of this month's box around here, but as always, Boxycharm is $21 a month. They do give me a link. If you use the link, I do get compensation for you using the link and signing up through there. And if you don't feel comfortable, you don't have to use it either. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until the next one. Bye guys.